Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, here to reveal one of our latest card kits. And this is a beginner's kit that is full of essentials to get you or a loved one started in stamping. There are 3 stamp sets in this kit, and I'll start you off with the 4x6, which is called Beautiful Friend. That's great for any occasion, especially for friends. So you have happy birthday, thanks, thinking of you, missing you, I love you, all designed in a fancy font that will look great stamped onto your cards. The next set is a 6x8 stamp set, and this is called Wild Love, and it has all these adorable animals and also some punny messages to go with them, such as Some Bunny Loves You and Quality Time, also Hello Foxy, and Bear With Me. These are really great to color in with your Copic markers, watercolor, or even colored pencils. And finally, the last 6x8 is called Best Year Yet. And this is full of birthday messages in many different fonts and shapes. And there are also some subscript that you can add to complement the main greeting. We also have presents and balloons and cakes so that you can make either masculine or feminine cards all year round for birthdays. We're also including the Simon Says Stamp acrylic block, and that is 3 by 4 inches. And how this works is you'll be peeling off your desired stamp from your stamp set, and then you can place it onto the block, and you want to make sure that you can feel the image sitting upright. We're also including a full-size ink pad of our intense black, and this is used to get that crisp black outline of your designs. This ink blend is perfect for using with your alcohol markers, such as Copics or even watercolor. And to use it, you'll tap it onto your stamp, and once that's well inked, you can stamp this onto your cardstock or note cards. For some colored inks, we're also including the Simon Says Stamp Rainbow Ink Cubes. These are premium inks and they have a linen top and it sits upright from the cube so you can do all your stamping and ink blending in these 4 bright colors. Next up, I have the paper products that you'll receive in this kit, and I'm going to start off with 2 of our sentiment strips. These are called Reverse Birthday Celebrations, and they have all the wording that you need to complete your birthday cards. You can cut these strips up by using a trimmer or scissors. They're printed onto heavy cardstock with a permanent toner ink, which can also be used for transfer foiling. We're also including some envelopes for you. These are the Simon Says Stamp white envelopes, and these have a peel away adhesive, so you don't have to lick them to stick them. You can just peel that adhesive away and then close your envelope. Also, you receive a pack of 6 of our holographic envelopes. These are highly reflective and have a great design, and they can also be mailed if you use a permanent pen such as a Sharpie or even an address label. We have your note cards covered. We're also including a 10-pack of our side-folding 120-pound Simon Says Stamp note cards. These are pre-scored and ready to go. All you need to do is just fold them in half, and you can crease them with your fingers or a bone folder, and now you have your landscape or portrait note card. We're also including some specialty papers for you. So we have an 8-pack of our A2 holographic cardstock, and this is beautifully colored and it has that really nice sheen. This is perfect for die cutting or even using as a background for your cards. You'll also receive an 8.5 by 11 of our holographic rainbow cardstock. You can use this as a base for your cards. And to compare the two, the design is smaller on the A2 than it is on the 8.5 by 11. We're including many of our essential tools for you in this kit. So you saw that we were including the 3 by 4 stamping block. Also, you receive our everyday scissors, and these are a great length of scissors to cut all your papers and even cloth. Has a very nice comfort grip, even some comfort grips on the outside if you choose to put your fingers there for cutting. These are a non-stick blade, which is perfect for cutting your adhesives. You'll also receive a pair of our superfine reverse tweezers. These have a nice sharp point, so you can use these to peel off your backing of your adhesives and also to place small items onto your cards. Another handy tool for you is our Place and Pierce embellishment wand, and this has 2 sides to it, one for placement and one for piercing. The piercing side comes with a protective cap, so if you want to travel with that, you can protect that point. The placement side of this tool can be used to pick up your sequins and small beads to place onto your cards. It has a coated ball tip with enough grip to pick up your sequins and let you set them down. Another tool is the Simon Says Stamp Pet Tool, and it has many uses such as holding your ink pads down so that you can do some ink blending. Also a nice grip so you can open some of those tight lids. And also it's heat stable for embossing and shrink plastic. We're including several types of adhesive for you. So first is a Simon Says Stamp Dot Runner, and this can be used either left-handed or right-handed, and it fits comfortably in your hand. It delivers a row of small dots and is slightly colored so that you can see it on your card, and it has a nice permanent tack. If you like to add dimension to your cards, we have you covered by including a pack of our foam squares. There are two sizes. These are 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch, and they are a nice height of 0.08 inches. And finally, for adhesives, we're also including our Simon Says Stamp Craft Tacky Glue. And this has a really nice fine point for delivering just the smallest amount of glue for detailed areas. To get the glue started, you'll want to open the cap and remove the protective seal. Once you replace the cap back on, you'll want to snip off just a small area until you can see a hole in the plastic, enough to let the glue flow through. To close this, you'll want to make sure that you replace the lid tightly until you hear it snap in place. And now for the embellishing. We're also going to include one of our triangle trays, and these are perfect for setting your sequins down so that you can pick them out, and also for pouring them back into the small bag. And the sequins are called Surprise Party, with a rainbow mix of sequins and small confetti. For adding some glimmer and shine to your projects and cards, we're also including the Sakura Stardust Clear Glitter Pen. It is clear with a really nice glimmer of glitter when you turn it to the light. And finally, to finish this kit off, we're including one of our zipper mesh bags, and this is a 12.5 inch by 10 inch bag that is large enough to fit all the contents of your kit for easy storage. We think you're going to love our beginner's kit. This is perfect to give as a gift or even for yourself if you're just starting in stamping. I have some inspiration for you, starting with a card by Nina Trapani. She has stamped in a circle and did some ink blending with the ink cubes, used some sequins, and also a sentiment strip. She has also stamped onto her white envelope and did some ink blending for a bright and cheerful card and matching envelope. I've made a couple masculine cards where I've used the blue and the green cubes. I've stamped one of the cards all in green and put the blue message on top with a sentiment strip, and the other I swiped the ink across a tag and then completed it with my greeting and also a sentiment strip. Nina created an edge-to-edge shaker card by wrapping the holographic cardstock with plastic and then stamping her message and presents on top with white ink, and then filled it with sequins and sealed it up. And finally, I've created a card where I've stamped Happy Birthday on the note card and then added a couple of the animals from the Wild for You set and then finished it off with some sequins scattered about. We have a link below on how to purchase this kit and would like to invite you to check out our quick tip videos for all those beginner needs. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.